and today we're going to be playing some Monster Hunter World again. So as you can see, I have got some bone armor. I've got a different armor set, and after the Jaguar's quest, I also change equipment. I also got the Jaguar's axe. Where is it? There it is. So we're going to be using. So the Iron Hammer 2 is better, but I'm going to use the axe today. So it says find the campsite in the ancient forest. So let's go back to the ancient forest. Here we go. Right. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, we are about to go into the quest. I don't know who's gonna be there. Maybe it's gonna be a monster. I don't know. It says it says that we have to do the campsite. So yeah, let's try and do the campsite. Yeah. Oh, okay, here we are near the campsite. Okay, so as you can see, we're here with Louis Jr. Anything in the supply box?
Let's look for the campsite.
Nope. Let's look for the campsite. Okay.
If I get to the campsite first, or if you're lost, open up your map or use your scout flies to track me.
Okay, so I meant to find. Oh, so he's over there.
Whenever you leave the base without signing up for a quest, you'll go on an expedition. There's no time limit or cap on how many times you're allowed to faint, which means you can explore to your heart's content.
Okay, this is good. Some footprints just to get some hunter thing up. Okay, herb, honey. Oh, there's draggrass. Okay, so I'm looking for some ancient bones. So while I'm here, I'm gonna explore a bit. You know what I mean? I still haven't explored the whole map. So I'm gonna try and do that's gonna be the aim, to explore the whole map of this place. I'm gonna need to get some ancient bones. Oh, some draggrass. Got one ancient bone. Yep, they wanna kill me, don't they? Yep. Macalite ore. That's a new ore. And more macalite ore. Okay, we need to go over here. I think no, we need to go up here. Okay, here we are. Oh, footprints. Over here. Okay. Whee! Okay, there's a mining outcrop here. I know. Okay. So, looks like we're gonna go down back in the water again. Woohoo! I wish they brought swimming back to the game. That's like in Monster Hunter 3. That was a great thing to do. Like bring that back to the game. It was really cool. I thought. So please bring it back. Just giving you some advice, please.
Over here.
Okay. I need to come. Okay, it's up here. Okay, there's a cutscene. I'll be quiet.
You can
Okay,
assign a target
well,
destination for your scout flies on the map.
that was a bit weird.
Well, if we don't take care of that pest, the camp won't last the night.
Oh yeah.
Monster's called a Kuru Yaku. bird-brained bandit. Yeah, let's fight him here. Okay, alright, where is he?
To return to base from an expedition,
There he is. He
open
went
the
over
wildlife map and switch to the world map. Then select Astera.
there. No, I'm fighting him now. Let's do this. Here we are. Okay. I smell Grimalkin's Meowster. Okay, what's over here? Right, there he is. Look, let's kill him, boy. I need to switch up to the floor so I know how to.
Power up the
I'm
sword
training
test
with
by
it.
consuming file.
Come here. Come back here. I'm gonna go down, mushroom. I also have a thing called Dutch Claw. Oh, I missed him. Getting hit hard here. I wasn't prepared because I didn't know it was going to be a crest. So I didn't bring any potions with me. I already picked 3. Okay, here it is. Okay, it's dribbling. Need to go for it. Double. Break his head. Go for an into discharge. Oh, let's go.
Now's your chance. Hurry up before you get noticed.
Okay, I'm gonna try and jump on its back. Oh, it's running away, I think. I've already broke 2 parts of it. This is easier. This is actually easier than the Gate Draggrass. I think. Okay, materials here. Wyvern's here, okay. Just for me to go up here. I might go for a Kuliyaki weapon. I don't know what, I think it's like just normal. I don't know if it's fire or anything like that. But I hope it's like fire, because I haven't got a fire weapon yet, and fire is quite good. Okay, let's get him. I'm on his head again. I'm gonna go for his oh, I'm going for his back this time because I think I've already got his head. It's quite a small monster as well. I think this is quite a small one. Boom. Okay, okay. Boom, boom. I'm gonna show you from them to discharge. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I didn't get the last hit on it. Oh, I missed it again. I'm gonna go for it now. Come on, keep going, keep going. Boom! I'm wrecking Kuliyaki. Huh? Ow! Kinda hurt. What's this? Okay, I'm just gonna go on his head.
Move around while grappled to a monster, but it'll burn through your stamina. Sending a monster flying into a wall will leave it
Fin
wide
shot,
open to
what's
attack.
that? Okay, so
Keep a close
Oh.
eye on your stamina.
So I need
Grappling
to-
onto a monster will burn through it in a hurry.
press B, he said, on the monster. Okay. I'll try and get it on his head. Boom. Oh, where'd it go? Okay, that literally didn't do anything. Just kind of made it go faster. Oh, I killed it already.
Select Astera
That was
from
a
the
bit
world map
easy.
so we can go home.
Okay. Well, That was a quick video. Like a very quick video. That was really surprising. But just in case anything goes wrong, I am gonna end the video here, and there'll be another Monster Hunter video today. So don't worry. Now, let's return to Astera. That was quite easy. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the armor and stuff. I'm gonna look at the armor because I actually kind of like the bone. It has decent fire, like really good skills. I can get that much rewards from, you know. So I'm probably gonna go for Kuliyaku a lot, just on my own, just in case. You know what I mean? Yeah. Or I could just do a video just going for. Yeah, I'll probably just do that. Or no, I'll just grind up my own. Yeah.
Magnifique.
Thanks for making sure the campsite is safe. We went ahead and got the camp all set up. It's yours to use as you like.
Don't let me down.
And now that I know that what you are made of, Fiverr, I hope I could talk to you into taking jobs for me more often. Now there's a northeast camp, okay? Next one, speak to the commander. But before that, I'm gonna just go up here. Workshop. And I'm gonna see what I can get for Kuliyaku.
Oi, oi!
Let's see the armor. 10. Draggrass is 8, but to be honest, what is it? It's versus fire. It's decent. It's more of an ice. So if we go to upgrade, see, does it have a hammer? It does. I need a hide for that. That's actually a really, really good hammer. Then I'm gonna probably upgrade my hammer. What's this sleeping? That's a sleeping tree. It's another fire tree. Oh, it's a fire tree. There's a poison tree here, which I'm probably gonna go for. I might go for a different weapon. I might go for dual blades. So a decent dual blade. Oh, because it's Kuliyaku dual blades. Okay. But I think I'm probably gonna go for the hammer for that. Let's see. Let's go. I'm gonna go for these water ones when I get that water monster. Okay. Now it says speak to the commander. Okay. Okay, let's see what he has to say.
You've done well.
Nice work clearing out the camp. I knew you'd come through, and now we're finally ready. Alright, Hunter, the Pookie hunt is on. Once you've hunted the target, the scholars will be able to get a closer look at the evidence you found. I cannot stress enough how vital taking out the Pookie is for the commission. This could be break we've been waiting for.
We're the ones to get it
Good
done.
luck and be careful. So tomorrow,
This
guys.
has an urgent mission. Partner, you'd better come see me.
Well, next video, guys, will be the
Hey there.
Pookie hunt. Bye.